Are you getting a good night's rest? Hi, Katie here from Simply Earth, and I'm going to tell you all about Sleepy Essential Oil Blend. This blend is a great way to create a calming and restful atmosphere to help you get a better night's sleep. This blend is made up of bergamot, grapefruit, lavender, and hoe wood essential oils. These are very calming oils, and together they help create a very restful atmosphere. Here's some ways to use this blend. Put it in the diffuser to create a calm and restful atmosphere. This calm and restful atmosphere can help soothe anxious or negative emotions, which can cause you to stay up at night. Or you can make a pillow spray or a balm out of it to use before you head to bed. We'll put recipes for those in the blog post linked in the description box. We have a super easy to follow dilution chart, which is linked in the blog post, which you can check out in the description box. Cats and dogs might find some of the oils in this blend irritating. They're unlikely to be bothered if you use it on yourself. If you do use it, make sure to do so in an open room so that your pet can leave if they do not like the smell. This blend is safe to use with kids aged 2 and up. Thanks for watching. To learn more about Sleepy Essential Oil Blend, click the blog in the description box. Thanks for watching.